silence speaks your name. The night ignites the empty city lights, and I stand between stay and walk away, like a soldier who has lost his time. When I look into your eyes, I see a storm behind the glass, a love afraid of breathing, like every touch could never last. We carry wars inside our hearts, scars teaching us to survive, but reason never ruled the heart. It only wants another try. Nothing lasts forever, I know. Even stars fade somewhere slow. How can memories warm my hands when November steals meaning again? So if you love me, shout it tonight. Don't let silence swallow us like fading light. Or I'll walk alone through empty streets where echoes repeat your laugh, and the rain will fall like 1,000 words we never found the strength to have. We walk together through fire and snow, pretending nothing left a scar. Love arrives without a warning and leaves without asking who we are. Who will close the door today? Who will turn away like a ghost? Will you lose the sound of my name, or will I forget you the most? If only we had the courage to strip the truth down to the bone, I would lay my head upon your shoulder and stop running from the unknown. So if you love me, stop the time, let the whole world fall somewhere behind. I don't wanna fight another lonely day under a cold November sky. Let the lightning shine one final time on everything we live to love. Do you need to run far away? Close the door and silence my voice. Sometimes you have to become nobody just to find your choice. I know it's hard to trust someone when even friends can wound like foes, but time can stitch a broken heart if you finally let it The city drowns in neon rain. Every drop sounds like your step. Maybe somewhere you still wait for me. Maybe every night we've met. Say just one word, only one, and I'd turn this whole world back. 'Cause every morning without you feels like a lost attack. If you love me, don't stay silent now. Don't hide your heart behind fear or pride somehow. 'Cause when I disappear beyond the lights, you won't find me in a dream. And the rain will sing for both of us about the life we could have been. Sometimes you must lose everything touches your face and the shadows slowly fade, you'll understand an ending sometimes is the start we're meant to take. And love always finds its way back.